Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be using this little guy. Obviously I've already used him, so he's dirty. Sorry about that. And the thumbnail, he's also dirty because we didn't want a thumbnail of me with no makeup on. So yeah, this is the velvet sponge, or the fuzzy sponge, or I don't know, it's got so many names. I picked this up off eBay. I can't stop playing with it because it's so soft. It literally feels like a kitten. This has already been wet, obviously. I will link below where I bought it. But I'm going to be applying my foundation with this and seeing if this is the game changer everyone is saying it is. I've seen a few people review these now. They are so soft. So soft. They're gorgeous. So yeah, if you want to see me trying this weird, fluffy, furry, velvety sponge, then keep watching. And also give this video a like, subscribe, and yeah, that's basically it, isn't it? Yeah. All this makeup will be in another video, so you can appreciate the highlighter. I'll link that video if that goes up first. It might not, so I don't know. But yeah, enjoy. This is the sponge, so it's so soft. Like, I don't understand how this would be better, but from everyone I've seen on YouTube already have said this is like the most amazing product. So this is a Real Technique sponge, dry, dirty but dry. So that's the size comparison. Like, it's quite small. So I'm going to go wet this, and then I'm going to use the Revlon Candid foundation because it's really good. But yeah, we're going to see if this does anything amazing. I think I'll probably just use this side for foundation and then this side for concealer, I think. So give me 1 minute, I'll go wet this bad boy and I'll be back. Okay. So I've dampened it, and it's quite a lot bigger. I'm quite surprised at how big it actually got, but it still feels like super soft. So this is the Candid foundation by Revlon, and it's shade 220, which, oh, sand beige. So I'm going to put it directly onto the sponge. I don't know whether this is meant to be good because it doesn't soak up as much product. Obviously I've primed as well. So it doesn't seem to soak up too much. It feels really weird. But it is. It is giving a nice finish. It's like using, I don't know, I feel like I've got more coverage. And it looks really smooth. And like when you stamp it, you can see the little like furry bits on the from the thingy sponge. From the thingy. Hold on now. Using your words nicely this morning. I really like it. Like, it gives a really nice finish. I'm just going to add a little bit more because this spot here is just not having a nice time at the moment. A really natural finish to the foundation, and I've been using this foundation for the last few days, so I kind of know it doesn't normally look this way. It obviously looks very matte. Normally, or quite matte, not very matte. But this is a much more dewy finish. I don't understand how the sponge works, but my foundation looks really nice. I feel like I can really get it to sink into the skin. I might be buying more of these, like a lot more of these. So if you can see, it's like laying on top of the sponge and not like sinking in so much. So it's got like the round bit here and then a flat part here and a flat butt. I don't really know what I'd use the flat butt for because I feel like it would leave like circles in my foundation, so I probably wouldn't use that end. Use the Collection Lasting Perfection concealer in Extra Fair. I'm going to conceal my eyelids as well because I'm not doing crazy makeup today. Well, I'll be dyeing my hair later, so this won't be staying on all day anyway. Okay, so I'm going to use the flat side for concealer. It's really strange because the sponge now feels dry. Wow, that blended out nicely and quick. Yeah, like this sponge feels totally dry. This is weird. That just blended everything so nice. Everything looks really nice. I don't understand how this works. You are magical. Okay, I'm gonna go finish my makeup and then I will come back with my final thoughts on the whole scenario because I'm confused. Okay, so I'm back, I finished my makeup. All of this makeup will be in another video before or after this one, I don't know. But my final thoughts on this sponge is I am going to buy so many more. I got this off eBay. I don't know who came up with it originally, I'm not sure. I think it might have been Juno & Co, but they're not in England. I don't know if they ship to England. So I will link them below and I will link this one below. But I really like it. Like, this will be probably my sponge of the day. Like, my daily sponge is what I mean. It's really nice and it's so soft, and I want to, if I hadn't finished my makeup I'd just be rubbing it on my face. It's gorgeous, I really like it, and then the finish of my makeup looks good, like really good. So I would recommend picking one of these little bad boys up. I'm going to order a couple more so that, because I won't go into it, but I've got an issue with my Real Technique sponge at the moment. I don't know what it is. I've already got another one, so I might try that, but blah blah. Anyway, so if you enjoyed this video and if you're going to buy one of these, comment below, let me know if you're going to get one and try it out because it's so good. It's so good. Like this video, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.